What's up, guys? I've taken a little break, and, with summer break here, well, I've been pretty lazy, honestly. So I've been kinda like, messing around, just doing absolutely nothing. But, I thought, why not make some more content for you guys? You should notice I'm not in my usual surroundings. Different house, different place. Oh my god. Alright, this is gonna sound like some kind of comic show, but I'm literally in my grandparents' basement. Anyways, I guess we'll be playing some Phantom Forces, because I've been getting pretty overpowered with a gun I just bought. It's the, Ranked One World War II, I believe, carbine weapon, but under the Recon class. It is the Mosin Nagant, or as I call it, the Moist Nugget. And, I'm literally recording this at 9 a.m. Not my usual, like, 4 or 5 p.m. But yeah, we'll see how this goes, so, yeah. Yeah, I ranked up twice. I'm rank 80. No, I don't want to be using my automatic shotgun. Right, we're gonna have to turn up our graphics quality. We have it at the lowest. Oh no, not at the lowest, but we had it at the lowest because of last night's lag. Or like 1 o'clock in this morning's lag, you know. You get the point anyways. Don't ask questions or I'll rip your spine out of your throat. Yeah, I can't see anything. This is my deagle. Oh. When I die, I gotta change my deagle out. Go ahead and call me a tryhard, because I'm gonna try and kill people when I can't see anything. Oh, I can see my gun now. Sadness. Oh, there's someone on the hill. I still can't see my freaking reticle. Or my gun. Show your head. With the Mosin Nagant, you kinda have to aim up a little bit to get a fair headshot. Boop! Like that. Oh, that's Q. Put my hand in the wrong place. How much you want? I open my eyes, I try and see, but I'm blinded by the night. Oh yeah, you can go G style. Hold your pistol sideways. You can also do this with certain small submachine guns, like the MAC-10, but Clofew. Welp, scratch that. I now have 1,829 friend requests. Jesus, this is about the amount Dennis Daly had in 2016, 17. Skor USSR, comrade. Oh, he's in there. He's in there, huh? Oh, no, he's right there, fool. Boop. Yeah, it tags out Mosin, so you have to put mo.sin. Yeah, this gun is pretty much aimbot, because when I'm not lagging and I'm in close quarters, I will just see you and you will no longer have a head. Like, that's how fast that I will just, boop, just, oh, hello, boop, and you gone. Like, oh, come on. God, motherfucker. Hi there. Never go on the current highest point on the map. Extremely dangerous position. There. That's my usual. See you in my sights. The trigger, you're gone. That's what I usually get. Just one shot. Oh. I believe I can fly. No. I believe I can die. I believe I want to touch fly. Of course, and that would have been a headshot too. I was aiming just barely above his head. From that distance, headshot. Yes. I think I saw someone up there. I think I saw a rifle just sticking out of there. Oh, he died. Alright, I'm cool with it. Good morning! And good night. This gun is such an aim botter. If you can calibrate for the minor drop of this gun, you'll be getting headshots left and right. Just so you know, the reload on this is extremely unrealistic. In real life, a Russian-American Mosin Nagant carbine rifle, this is a bolt automatic sniper. But in real life, these things can only be reloaded on an empty mag because of this. You have to break the mag, and it completely blocks the chamber until all rounds are emptied. So, but I'm not gonna complain to him about it. Well, complain to Stylus about it. Because I, for one, am an enjoyer of the reload at any time, because if you've noticed in any other, if all of you have played this game with me, I usually kill someone or a group and then I reload my gun, so you know. Hi. What? Dude! Really?
What? You were the one looking at me.
Sit the fuck down.
Boy. You couldn't cuss me out while you recorded for YouTube?
Shut up. I always cuss.
Bruh. Butter, you gotta really cuss me out. Boy. Oh, that's
God.
Mosin Fagot.
Yeah, the moist nugget.
Yeah, I'm just gonna start calling it the Mosin Fagot.
Why do you hate this gun so much?
I don't hate it. It's a good gun.
I know, it's extremely overpowered though.
I know.
But dude, you should...
I just called
dude,
the Mosin Fagot.
someone was yelling and screaming at me last night. This guy... What? Yeah. I'm fine. I'm fine. What? There's someone in there. Sit down. Oh yeah, I kind of turned that down so it wouldn't be going through my mic while I'm recording, so. Shut up. Nah.
Probably watch it with you later.
Red dot. Check the mini-map, you always want to. That's why. You can defend the position. Save it. Oh yeah, I've seen that. It's a really good movie. Duh. I missed. Anyway, guys, someone was literally, like, yelling and screaming at me last night. The guy's name was Jake or something. And, like, literally, I was just using my Mosin, obviously, and we were on the mall, or not the mall, highway lot. And he was using a FAMAS. And I'm like, dude, seriously. Oh, there's Jake! He's actually here! Yo, what's up, Jake?
Oh, yeah. Okay, cool.
Hey, Grandma. Can you turn that down? It's a little loud. I can hear it over the constant firings of my bullets. There. Someone's on there, I just saw them. Alright, all the way out there. Whatever. I missed every last shot. And this is a 33 round mag. Aww. How loud does it have to be? Whoa! Nope, I'm out. Yeah, that's a real quick way to get down the crane. Hey! Oh, 13 minutes. Well, guys, that's pretty much gonna do it for this short little video. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of performance with my Mosin. And, that's it.
You done?
Yeah. So, see you guys later.
Okay.